Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Umentri rang ba ga jilla Conrad ke sangma ula ai ka Kyrshan ya ka kandang jongki por Pulit Badbor district ka West Garo Hills Persha ya ki tu ki breu ki badon kti halandet ka kiew dor ki marbam mardi bat ki wede ki mar ki bahab hapo ka district. Umentri rang ba ula ong ru ba ka sarkar jala kla shim khya bha ya ka ni ka pentikna ba ki pat ba kin kardo ki marbam mardi bat ba kin sha thok lani sha shukor. Ula ai ka kharwo ba ya ka ni la le na ka benta ka bha ka myat jongki pat ba ki blamat ya ka jing so sat tang namar ba ka kambi an jong ki katto kani ki brio bat ken hun ki bla pha ki udor ya ki mar ki mata ban men toy shimet ka ken hun Meghalaya Chamber of Commerce bla thau do MDC ka BJP badon ha along Pulit uba Bernard and Marak ka dei ki bla lap da ka jing to kit jong ki Pulit badon kti halendet kani ka jing ki udor ki mar ki mata bat papen bor ki nong khayi bakin pen kiew ya ka dor jong baro ki mar na du ki marbam ki tiar te jing te bat ki wei de
to ensure that this does not happen in the future. And this will have a huge impact in ensuring that the price of essential commodities comes down to a large extent. And this will impact the poorest of the poor people and the general citizens of Tura and also of West Garo Hills. And I want to assure the different merchants and the different shopkeepers and the different people who do business in Tura and in West Garo Hills that the entire administration, the police and the government as a whole will be there to support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place, which will